In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of resin art with a unique twist, combining the rugged charm of construction with the vibrant beauty of rainbows. Using Let's Resin Deep Pour and a versatile octagon silicone mold, I'm creating a 3D scene featuring a backhoe loader, a dump truck, and a rainbow, all set against a beautifully designed tree backdrop. I first start out using my Cricut to cut out the tree design to serve as a striking background, adding depth and context to our scene. And now it's time to bring some life to our inlays. And I have chosen inlays from my construction set and my rainbow collection, which are both available in my eBay store, which is listed in the description box. I am using Let's Resin mica powder to color the backhoe loader and the dump truck, and the rainbow as well. And now I've decided to add a few rhinestones to our inlays just to give them a little bit of extra sparkle. Now for the fun part, assembling our scene. I place the rocks and the inlays to create an action-packed moment of loading the truck, complete with resin stick and stump for an added realism. And here I'm just using some UV resin to help hold my rocks and my loader in place where I'd like them to stay. And here I'm just adding some rainbow beads to add a little bit more color to the theme. And here I am just adding a stick and a stump that I made with resin.
Big news for all our wonderful subscribers. Get ready to dive into the excitement of our brand new subscriber celebration giveaway. Yes, you heard that right. With every milestone of 100 new subscribers, like 200, 300, 400, and beyond, I'll be hosting a special drawing to pick one lucky winner. But wait, there's more. For every 500 subscriber milestone, 500, 1,000, 1,500, and beyond, we're pulling out all the stops with a grand giveaway. 5 winners will be chosen to receive even more amazing prizes. Want to be a part of this thrilling giveaway? It's as easy as pie. Like this video comment below, so I know you're out there. Share with your friends. Subscribe to our channel. That's your ticket to entering the giveaway for our next subscriber milestone. And the best part? It's entirely free to join in on the fun. Plus, I'll cover all postage costs for the winners. I'll be announcing the winners during one of my videos, so stay tuned. Keep an eye out for your name and make sure to reach out to me within 3 days of the announcement. Be careful of imposters. I'll only contact winners through my official channel. If I don't hear back within 3 days, I'll draw another name, so make sure you're watching closely. Everything unfolds right here in our videos, so you don't want to miss out on a single moment. Let's celebrate these exciting milestones together. Good luck to all. Thank you for your incredible support. You make this journey amazing. You're awesome. Thank you for being here, and thank you for watching.
Here I am mixing up our Let's Resin Deep Pour. You might have noticed something was missing. Yes, my gloves. In the excitement of creating, I made the classic mistake of forgetting to wear them. But it's important to always prioritize safety by wearing your protective gear, like your gloves, to protect your skin from resin exposure. We all have our oops moments, and this was mine. Let's learn from it together and make sure we're always prepared for our next project. With everything in place, I've mixed up the resin, and I'm going to add some diamond dust, just adding that magical touch, and I'm going to pour this over our seam. Now this step does require some patience as we let it cure over several days. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for, demolding our creation. Watch as our resin art transforms into a stunning piece, ready to shine. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts or a question, and don't forget to subscribe for more creative projects and tutorials. Hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another update. As you can see here, the inlays play a critical role in enhancing the overall design of our resin piece. These inlays aren't just decorative, they provide structure and depth to the project, creating an engaging visual story. By leaving them in place, we're able to achieve a more intricate and dynamic scene that captures the imagination. This is another perfect example of how inlays can remain within the project to elevate the final outcome, adding both beauty and functionality.